Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. So, my dear students, today I am here with the new chapter of English literature, which is chapter 5, Daisy the Cow. Chapter 5, Daisy the Cow. In this chapter, dear children, there is a boy named Jim. So, my dear students, let's read this story. Can you take out your English Gulmohar book and open page number 33. 33. Chapter 5, Daisy the Cow. Chapter 5, Daisy the Cow. So, my dear students, can you take out your English Gulmohar book and open page number 33. Let's read the book and enjoy this story. So let's start. So my dear students, let's read the book chapter 5, Daisy the Cow. Chapter 5, Daisy the Cow. Jim liked the animals on Katie's farm. Jim likes the animals on Aunt Katie's farm. Dear children, Jim likes most of the animals on Aunt Katie's farm. As you can see, this boy is Jim. His name is Jim, and he likes most of the animals on Aunt Katie's farm. He likes Billy, the little black goat. He likes Billy, the little black goat. Dear children, as you can see, he is playing with a little black goat. Her name is Billy. Her name is Billy. Jim, he likes the little black goat. Jim likes the little black goat. He likes the noisy hens and the gentle sheep. He likes the noisy hens and the gentle sheep. Dear children, as you can see, there are many hens roaming here and there. Jim likes the noisy hens and the sheep. But there is one animal Jim is afraid of. But there is one animal Jim is afraid of. But Jim is afraid of the cow. Dear children, as you can see, there is a cow. Jim afraid of this cow. And this is Aunt. She is Aunt Katie. She is Aunt Katie. Jim says, I am afraid of the bear with the horns. Dear children, Jim thinks it is a bear with horns. Jim thinks this is a bear with horns. It stares at me with large brown eyes. It makes a loud noise. But Jim is afraid of the cow because he thinks it is a bear with horns. He says that bear stares at me with its brown eyes and moves loudly. Aunt Katie says that is not a bear. That is my good cow, Daisy. She will not hurt you. Dear children, Aunt Katie tells to Jim, that is not a bear. That is not a bear, but a cow. Aunt Katie tells him that is not a bear, but a cow. It is her cow. It is Aunt cow. Katie's cow. It is Aunt Katie's cow. Daisy. Her name is Daisy. The name of this cow is Daisy. Daisy is not hurt you. She will not hurt you. The Aunt Katy says that name her cow name is Daisy. She will not hurt you, Jim. But Daisy is making loud noises at me, says Jim. My dear children, Jim says that Daisy is making loud noises at me. Aunt Katy says, no, that is Daisy moving loudly. She is hungry. Aunt Katy tells Jim that Daisy is not making noises at Jim. Aunt Katy says that Daisy is not making noises at Jim but is moving loudly because she is hungry. Aunt Katy gives Daisy some hay to eat. Aunt Katy gives Daisy some hay to eat. As you can see, Aunt Katy gives Daisy to some hay to eat. Slowly, Jim walks up and stands beside Daisy. She makes a soft moo sound when he pats her. Dear children, seeing Aunt Katy feeding Daisy, Jim's fear slowly gone. Dear children, as you can see, seeing Aunt Katy feeding Daisy, Jim's fear slowly gone away. He walks up to Daisy and gently pats her. As you can see, he walks up to Daisy and gently pats her. She makes a soft moo sound when he pats her. Dear children, she makes a soft moo. Daisy makes a soft moo sound when Jim is pats her, gently pats her. I am not afraid of Daisy now, Jim tells Aunt Katy. I am not afraid of Daisy now, Jim tells Aunt Katy. Now, Jim is not afraid of Daisy anymore. Now, dear children, Jim is not afraid of Daisy anymore. So, as my dear children, as you can see in this story, we see Jim changing slowly from being very scared of Daisy. As you can see, we can see in this story Jim changing slowly from beginning very scared. Jim is very scared from beginning, but after that Jim changing slowly of Daisy. So my dear students, here I have written few new words. Number 1, animal. A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal means जानवर. Number 2, farm. F-A-R-M. Farm, खेत. Number 3, N-O-I-S-Y. Noisy, शोर मचाने वाला. Number 4, afraid of. A-F-R-A-I-D-O-F. Afraid of means डरा हुआ. Number 5, horns. H-O-R-N-S. Horns means seeing. Number 6, stairs. S-T-A-R-E-S. Stairs means घूरना. Number 7, large. L-A-R-G-E. Large. Large means बड़ा. Our next word is number 8, hurt. H-U-R-T. Hurt means घायल. Number 9, loudly. L-O-U-D-L-Y. Loudly means ऊंचे स्वर में. Number 10, hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry means भूखा. Number 11, slowly. S-L-O-W-L-Y. while. Slowly means धीरे धीरे. Number 12, move. M-O-O. Move means रांधना. So my dear students, kindly note down these words in your copy and learn it. Thank you and have a nice day.